This box was just delivered, so I'm gonna open it with you guys and see what's inside. It's a special package from Barielle. We are so happy you are part of our Barielle family. We wish you a healthy and joyous 2021. Can't wait to see your posts. Sincerely, Claudia and Jean, the Barielle team. And look at all these beautiful products that they sent me for me to try out and share with you guys. Let's start off with this one. Barielle Love Your Nails Acetone-Free Nail Polish Remover Towelettes. Will not dry out nails, travels easy, one towelette will clean all 10 nails. May need 2 towelettes for darker colors. Contains 25. We're definitely going to be trying this one out today. The 4 polishes they sent me are all so pretty. I can't wait to share each one individually with you guys. As always, you can follow me on Instagram at jennystone.21 where I'll share manicures created using these nail polishes. They included another cute nail file. This one has glitter on the back and little hearts. And on the front it says Barielle and their website barielle.com. Here we have a Barielle Daily Strengthening Nail Cream with Biotin for healthier and stronger nails. Let's take a closer look. Biotin and vitamin E rich formula helps nails resist splits, peels, and breaks for stronger, healthier nails. Noticeable improvements in 3 to 4 weeks. The directions say to massage over nails and cuticles daily. For badly damaged nails, use at least 2 to 3 times daily. Allow 3 to 4 weeks for noticeable improvement. And they do recommend to allow the cream to penetrate overnight. So this is great to have in your night table and to apply it right before going to bed. It has a very natural scent, which I really like. And you can feel how thick it is. Like it's definitely going to moisturize your skin. It's not greasy, but you can feel it on your skin. I shared this one before with you guys, and it's the same type of scent, natural scent, and the same type of feel that makes your skin feel extremely moisturized and protected. I love it, and I love that it comes in this too, so that it's an easier thing to carry with you. These 3 polishes are Elle's Spell, Mojito Madness, and Eli's Magic. The blue one is called Sky's the Limit. I'll remove the polish that I have on my nails using these nail polish remover towelettes. They're really thin and they didn't feel really wet, but when I started applying it on my nails, they immediately removed the polish. They smell so good. They have a nice berry scent. It actually reminds me of strawberries, and I was really impressed with the results. I was able to remove the polish off of all 10 nails using one towelette. And as you can see, my nails and the skin around my nails looks really moisturized and not dried up. These acetone-free nail polish remover towelettes are amazing. I really love them and I highly recommend them. After washing my hands, I applied the blue nail polish and look how smoothly it goes onto my nails. It's so opaque that I only had to apply 1 coat. To finish off, I applied the Barielle Everlast Top Coat with vitamin E, and look at how beautiful my manicure shines. Stop by my Instagram if you want to see all the manicures that I create using these beautiful nail polishes. I'll have a link in the description box below, as well as a link to the Barielle website and their Instagram account. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to send out a big thank you to Barielle for this beautiful package. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!